trees inside of me. In these deserts I can.
Morning guys, this is your friend Limitless Yogesh here. It's morning 7 a.m. here. I changed my route. I am on a different track right now for my morning walk these days. So this morning I'm going to talk on very interesting topic. The business, basically building business spiritually. And what do you mean by that is previously I was working in pharma industry and I was handling a brand. So in a way I was handling a business for that brand. So that brand had almost 35 crore turnover, and when I started my own spiritual journey, somehow the entrepreneurial journey, somehow I had that, those preconceived notions about business, because I had done MBA. So in MBA the only thing which we were taught is building brand, building business, profit driven business. That's what we've been taught in MBA. And when we come to corporate culture, same thing is there. Everything is profit driven. If you are generating profit, you are there in company. If you are not generating profit, they will ask you to leave. So somehow this is the old paradigm which I see, and because of this being profit driven, in today's world most of the business collapsed. In COVID time you must have seen big business houses collapse because they were profit driven. And of course there are big brands, big companies who were able to survive because they were cash rich companies, so it did not make any impact on them as such. But yes, on business for them there was impact. Now this is the old paradigm of doing business, being profit driven. The new paradigm which is evolving, this paradigm has been there for quite long, but now it is evolving, is building business spiritually. And I'll tell you how. Basically we all are in Kali Yuga right now. We have to accept this fact that we are in Kali Yuga, and somehow there is a mess out there in this world, and whether we want it or not, but we suffer a lot of times. So in that Kali Yuga, in that mess, sometimes even it is not our fault, still we become victim of something. So there is a lot of mess happening around there, and in this profit driven businesses, in this profit driven environment, we have that financial burden on our heads, and somehow we become victim to that. And what do you feel? भगवान को अच्छा लगता है क्या ये सब? Seeing his child suffering, God enjoy? No, उसको भी मज़ा नहीं आता हमें सफ़र करते हुए देखते हुए. So now he has a grander plan for all of us, and that plan is in making right now. That plan is in implementation right now. I don't know whether you have observed this or not, but I have observed these things globally. I've been connected to a lot of people globally. I am seeing this, that there are a lot of changes happening in this world right now, which might not be visible to our eyes, but those things are happening. And the paradigm about which I shared, that building business spiritually, it's happening right now. So what is happening is, basically, personally I am associated with one of the business project where I see the people around me, my mentors, they're all spiritual guys. But I'm not seeing about only my project. I am seeing it with other platforms also, with other industries also, where their businesses are now becoming spiritually driven. Now what do you mean by spiritually driven is, in short, if you really want to do business, if you really want to be an entrepreneur and you don't have any idea, but if you are spiritually connected to God, then God will send you those ideas. God will send you those people, and through those people, through those ideas, what God wants to achieve, He will achieve through you. And you understand, na? When God wants to achieve something through you, you don't have to worry about your success. You don't have to worry about your life. Your life will be taken care. You will thrive in your life. And not only that, what will be achieved through you is, you will be able to make a bigger impact in a lot of people's life. The people need something right now. That can be anything. Any areas of their life. They need those changes in their life, and through you those changes will be achieved. And of course it's a beginning right now. It's not on mass scale, but everything starts from zero only. So now the businesses are becoming spiritual. A lot of big brands who are profit driven, they have realized this and they are implementing this. I know a lot of examples. I have been listening to a lot of people's interviews where they are spiritually driven people, and they are helping people to grow in their life. It can be any industry, but that is happening right now, you know. So if you want to build a business for you, if you want to be entrepreneur, leave that old paradigm that you must earn profit from your business or whatever profession you are in. Rather than, you must think that how can I help people. God wants me to do that, and in that process my survival is taken care, and rather than surviving, I'm actually thriving. So this is Limitless Yogesh signing off from here. I would really love to help all of you. You know, I'm just a phone call away. And keep watching, keep commenting, keep liking, keep subscribing, keep sharing my videos. You know, go to the Facebook page, You Are Born to Be Limitless. Go to YouTube channel and subscribe there as well. The same name, You Are Born to Be Limitless. And you never know, you might help someone, and that person's life will really change because of you. And that person will come to you and say thank you. You know, this is happening with me right now. That's what I'm sharing with you. That is really possible. You can really make a big impact in people's life. Thank you so much.